Children spend a lot of time online. We also know how important 21st century computer literacy is for their future. How amazing would it be making their screen time as productive as possible? If you, as a parent, feel the same, you will love discovering MiniCoders, the play-to-learn platform. MiniCoders gives your child productive screen time, growing coding skills while having fun playing on the platforms they love the most. How do we do it? For kids, we offer first, videos. MiniCoders Kids apps provide fun educational videos about how programming concepts are used in our Roblox games. Second, virtual assistant. Those apps integrate a virtual assistant who is always there to provide kids the answers they need in real time. Third, Roblox games. Kids practice the concepts they learned through the apps in the educational Roblox games. A parental website is there for you to track your child's learning progress. The coding concepts learned and your kids' collaboration level are among many details we link from MiniCoders Roblox experiences to your parental area. Starting your free trial is so easy. Create an account, verify your email address, add your MiniCoders kid or kids, and click Next. Choose the best plan for your child and head to checkout. But don't worry, your card will only be charged after the 7-day free trial has ended, and you are free to cancel anytime. Switch to the better screen time for your kids with MiniCoders, the play-to-learn platform.
Did you like the video? Click on the link in the description down below to get this deal. Don't miss out. Subscribe, give us thumbs up, and activate the bell to be notified of every new deal that's coming up.